gang, it's Owen again from Tommy Docks, going through some more frequently asked questions. Today, we're talking about the dock section weights, which is a totally valid question because it is a DIY system. What I have in front of me here is the aluminum frame with Cedar drop-in panels. The entire assembly here is about 145 pounds. Each panel is removable, and the frame by itself is only 62 pounds, so a pretty manageable weight, especially if you have someone helping you. If you want to go to a maintenance-free option, we do offer a composite PVC drop-in. Those drop-in panels about double the weight, so they go from about a 30 to 40 pound drop-in to a 60 to 70 pound drop-in for the composite PVC. Again, the frame stays the same weight. We also offer an all aluminum option. All aluminum is not a drop-in panel, and those sections weigh about 145 pounds with the aluminum decking included in there. And finally, we have our all cedar option. Our 8-foot cedar is gonna run you about 95 pounds, and our 10-foot cedar frame is gonna run you about 125 pounds. Of course, we always recommend that you have a helper so that you're installing these docks safely and accurately. Anytime you can have somebody help you with the weight and the install, you're gonna have a better experience, and it's gonna be installed more professionally. Thanks again, guys, for watching. As always, please subscribe to our channel so that you get the most recent updates on new products, news, tips, and tricks for your DIY lakeside lifestyle. Thanks again.